Since its launch in 1990, the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope has completed 1.5 million observations of nearly 50,000 celestial objects. The Hubble team has now released what may be one of the most important images in all of human history. The Hubble Legacy Field, a mosaic of 7,500 images, tells the story of our universe going back 13.3 billion years, nearly to the beginning of time. It is a crowning achievement in this golden age of astronomy. It joins a select group of images that, in their day, profoundly altered our view of society, of each other, and the world around us. What made these images so special? These images stimulated the mind's eye to look more closely into the world around us, or captured moments that resonated through generations. In its time, the Hubble Space Telescope has not only stretched the bounds of exploration, but awakened the human spirit. By casting our gaze out to the very limits of creation, it has brought new insights into the forces and events that gave rise to our universe. Never before have humans peered so deep into the universe and come so close to what lies beyond. Hubble has sparked a whole new debate about our place in the vast sweep of space and time. The Hubble Space Telescope continues the work of its namesake, Edwin Hubble, whose studies of the cosmos revolutionized the modern conception of the universe. His major breakthrough came in 1924, when he showed that the universe not only extends beyond the Milky Way galaxy, but is steadily expanding. Hubble was able to disprove hundreds of years of accepted scientific wisdom that saw the universe as static. He found that distant galaxies are receding from us at velocities that increase in proportion to their distance. Hubble's law remains the foundation for modern cosmology, the study of the universe as a whole. Later on, Edwin Hubble helped to construct the 200-inch Hale telescope, the largest telescope on Earth for almost 7 decades. Now, long after his death, his findings continue to shape our understanding of the universe. The Hubble telescope was expected to last a mere 10 years. 3 decades later, it still orbits the Earth, providing us glimpses into the far corners of the universe. Astronomers continue to use Hubble to fulfill one of its major missions: to refine and test the Hubble constant and the expansion rate of the universe. Because light travels at a finite speed, the light of galaxies we see was emitted at earlier times. The dimmer the objects recorded in Hubble's sensors, the farther back in time they are. The legacy field pulls images from 31 previous Hubble surveys spanning over 16 years, going back to just 500 million years after the Big Bang, when galaxies began to take shape. Within the image, more than 250,000 galaxies in different stages of development offer vital clues to the stages of galaxy formation and how the density of matter and the chemical composition of the universe have changed over time. This in turn offers clues to the underlying physics of the cosmos. Since its launch, Hubble has both joined and helped stimulate an explosion of discovery about our universe. Hubble is now accompanied by a fleet of telescopes in space designed to probe light up and down the electromagnetic spectrum. On the ground, a construction boom of ever larger telescopes has nurtured a generation of new astronomers and led to a wave of innovation. That includes adaptive optics to cancel the distorting effects of atmospheric turbulence, techniques for mapping vast patches of the universe in 3D, or for teasing evidence of planets from the bright light of distant stars. No other telescope has been able to cover the sheer depth and breadth of space as Hubble has in its legacy field. The image is a testament to our still expanding abilities to see, to explore, and to ponder what's out there. According to Garth Illingworth of the University of California, Santa Cruz, leader of the team that assembled the image, this one image contains the full history of the growth of galaxies in the universe, from their time as infants to when they grew into fully fledged adults. Beyond their scientific importance, this and other Hubble images have had the power to shape the very mindset of mankind. By placing our existence within the context of a universe so vast we can scarcely comprehend it. Astrophysicist Carl Sagan famously described Earth as a pale blue dot, a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. As an extension of the human eye as well as of the human mind, Hubble affirms our place as barely a speck among the giant structures of the universe. The realm that spawned us is not unlike those distant colliding galaxies and those massive burning stars. We are truly a tiny unit within infinity. As the Hubble Space Telescope nears the end of its life, astronomers are designing and building a new generation of telescopes. Among them, the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will push further into space to reveal how infant galaxies grew. The Wide Field Infrared Survey Telescope, or WFIRST, will capture images 100 times larger than those of Hubble. In just 3 weeks' worth of observations by WFIRST, astronomers will be able to assemble a field that is deeper and more than twice as large as the Hubble legacy field. The Hubble legacy field leads us into a future in which our most searching questions about the universe and our place within it can be investigated and even answered. It symbolizes a revolution in scientific thought, and it may well be one of the greatest images ever recorded.